Hello, class. This video will help you submit your tasks that are coming up. So please make sure that you rewatch this video to help you out as much as possible. So now that you finish your task, let's say there were 4 objects. All right. Now we need to make our document. So after saving all of our work in our tasks, I'm going to open up my data panel. I'm going to click my name. I'm going to select open on the web. Save in our tasks. And each one of these now needs a link. So next to the download button, share, copy. Once we copy the link, open up a blank Google Doc. So let's say this is task 2. All of our submissions need a title. So please go to align and indent and center. Make your font at least 24, maximum 30. Pick Times New Roman. So this is called task. Select bold and underline. It's called task 2. Hit enter twice. Unclick bold and underline. Select left align. Now make your font smaller. Click on this, size 14. Let's number it number 1. Type model link, put a colon. Right click, hit paste or control V. Hit spacebar. Hitting spacebar will make sure that it turns blue. Now I'm going to hit enter. Delete the number. Hit enter again. I'm going to go back to Fusion 360. I'm going to take a screenshot. It'll be a little different for you because you have a Chromebook. It's still very similar. Once I grab my screenshot, I go back to my document. Right click, paste. If it's too big, left click on it. Make it smaller. Doesn't even have to be too big. So you have your first model. Right click. So once. Backspace to make sure that there's a line. And select numbered list once more. Now, it's going to have a 1 and a 1. So just right click on the second, continue previous numbering. So that way it's 1 and now 2. Same thing, model link. Let's go to our second. Back to our library. Click the icon next to download. Select share. Copy. Go back. Hit spacebar. Hit enter. Delete. Enter. Go back to Fusion 360. I'm going to take a screenshot of my second model. Screenshot serves as proof. Right click, paste. Now it's okay if you want to hit enter and make number 2 on the second page. Please format your images as best you can. Enter again, twice. Backspace to make sure my numbers align. numbered list. Right click on it. Continue previous numbering. Now it's number 3. Model link. Please type it. Go back to our library. Spacebar, please. Screenshot of your screenshot back to the document. Right click. Paste. I want to make it as small as possible. If you can fit 2 in one page, great. If not, it's all right. So I can change the sizes a little bit. Try and be as consistent as possible. So if we can fit 2 in one page, that would be best. Two, link screenshot. Ready? For the final one, enter twice, backspace, numbered list, right click it, select it, right click it, continue previous numbering, model link again. So hopefully we understand the method now. Share. Control V or right click, paste. Hit spacebar. Delete, enter. Take a screenshot of your work. Please remember you can always look up how to take a screenshot with a Google Chromebook on YouTube. Right click, paste. Format your images as best you can. Title, number 1, link screenshot. Number 2, link screenshot. Number 3, link screenshot. 4, link screenshot. Once we have all this, please go to File, Download, PDF. This will automatically download into your recents. Go back to Schoology and then submit under the appropriate task, so task 2 in this case. All right, that concludes this video. Hopefully you rewatch and find this helpful. Thank you.